A calcium atom contains 20 protons. If the charge on a calcium atom is positive 3.20 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs, it must contain how many electrons? To solve this problem, we can go back to a previous problem we did, where in this problem, it told us what the charge was for an electron, negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs, and the charge of a proton is positive 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. That is a number that will be given to you on the test, but I'll write it down now. So the elementary charge is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. And that's the charge for either a proton or an electron. If it's a proton, it's going to be a positive charge. If it's an electron, it's going to be a negative charge. So, since we know what the charge on the atom is, the charge is a positive 3.20 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. Well, that charge is going to be made up of a certain number of elementary charges, either protons or electrons. Since it's positive, we know it's going to be protons. So if I divide this by the charge of a single proton, 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs, we see that we have two particles. In this case, we have two more protons than electrons. So if we have a total of 20 protons, and we know that the number of electrons is going to be 2 less than that, then we know the number of electrons is actually going to be 18. And so that's the correct answer for this problem, is 18 electrons.